Welcome to Frank on Two Wheels. We focus on rides and accessories and maintenance that make rides more enjoyable. This is a step-by-step guide on how to change oil in the Honda Rebel 500. The steps shown are exactly those as listed in the owner's manual. It's an easy process that you can complete by yourself in about 20 minutes. Please comment below with your own oil change tips and support the channel by clicking the subscribe button. To start, we idle the engine for a few minutes, then we turn the engine off, wait a couple of minutes, then we put the motorcycle on a level surface. Now, I use the kickstand. It positions the bike well to lessen the chance of oil hitting the pipes when you remove the oil filter. The kit that you see I purchased on eBay. It was a complete oil change kit. It came with the replacement washer. It also came with a paper funnel, and as you'll see, the oil filter wrench. My first step is to protect the pipes. You can see I'm using a very heavy-duty plastic. Some folks use saran wrap, others use aluminum foil. I don't like aluminum foil. It can certainly scratch your bike. Some use cardboard. Whatever you need to do to protect your pipes from the oil that might drip down onto those pipes and create more cleanup for you afterwards. After protecting the pipes, I remove the oil fill cap and then the drain bolt. Using the oil filter wrench from the kit, I'll remove the oil filter and now finish draining the oil. Now that all the oil is drained, I'll apply oil from one of the new quarts of oil to the seal of the new oil filter. Then I'll install it using the oil filter wrench. Not shown on the screen due to the angle is by putting the new washer from the kit on the drain bolt and simply screwing it back in place. Using the paper funnel from the kit, it's time to put 2.9 US quarts of oil in the crankcase. After filling it with oil and putting the oil fill cap back in place, I like to take it on a 60-second ride around the yard to circulate the oil so that I can get an accurate reading through the sight glass to confirm the oil level. Placing the bike on a level surface, I can check the oil level and make sure there are no leaks. That's it. The oil change is complete. Good for another season or 8,000 miles, whichever comes first. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment below with your oil change tips.